Listen to part of the radio program. What makes the man angry?
What makes me angry? That's a good question. I'm very keen on looking after the planet, so I get annoyed when other people don't. Factories are very polluting, and there should be more effective laws to regulate this. Cars also cause a lot of pollution, but they're necessary for people to get around, especially to work. I think people should recycle more, but it's the responsibility of the government to make this easier for people. I suppose the thing that makes me really mad is when I see people dropping rubbish on the streets. It would be so easy for them to use litter bins instead.
What makes the man angry? A. Dropping litter. B. Pollution from factories. C. Not enough recycling. D. Too many cars on the roads.